You start to have these small pieces of fabric coming out of it because you rubbed it in a hard surface, or because of you if you had a fall. There's a easy way to take all of this out. You need a razor blade. Yes, you're gonna shave it, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove this. Don't do too much pressure because you don't want to cut it, you want to just cut the hair. So with this blade you can start to cut. As you can see, small pieces come off. So you just shave it, shave your jacket. And if you do it very well, it will be just like brand new. As you can see, many pieces come out. Looks like wool, but it's not. It's actually from this, I think it's nylon, the material, I'm not sure. This fabric, it's normal for this to happen. If you rub your elbows, for example, in this case the elbows are not a problem because this is protected in the elbows, but usually if you wear a jacket other than riding your bike, or if you had a fall, it's normal that this will happen. And yes, over time it will happen. So as you can see, you can barely see it now, only a few hair pieces over here, small pieces of fabric. No big deal. Just let's do a bit here. Don't do pressure when you do this because you don't want to cut or originate more. Just want to cut what's happening here. So I'm not gonna touch anymore. It's much better. You can hardly see it now. So simple trick. Razor blade, and you have your jacket fixed. Thank you for watching.